In the late 1990s, Enron Corporation, based in Houston, Texas, was lauded as a beacon of American innovation, a company that transcended traditional energy to become a digital pioneer. Its meteoric rise was fueled by an audacious vision to transform opaque markets into liquid, tradable commodities, promising unprecedented growth and profitability. At its helm were Kenneth Lay and Jeffrey Skilling, charismatic figures who cultivated an image of intellectual superiority and ruthless efficiency, assembling a team they proudly proclaimed as the smartest guys in the room. They championed deregulation and embraced a culture of aggressive deal-making, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the energy sector. Wall Street analysts, captivated by Enron's seemingly endless growth and complex financial models, hailed it as a futuristic company, a new economy darling. Billions flowed in, driving its stock price to dizzying heights and cementing its reputation as an unassailable titan of industry. Yet, beneath the veneer of innovation and the dazzling financial reports, lay an increasingly opaque and intricate web of transactions, understood by only a select few. The very complexity that impressed investors also served as a veil, obscuring the true nature of Enron's financial health. The cornerstone of Enron's financial wizardry was an accounting method known as mark-to-market, where expected future profits from long-term contracts were immediately recorded as current earnings. While legitimate in certain contexts, Enron aggressively applied it to speculative deals, booking profits that were often mere projections, not actual cash. This allowed Enron to create an illusion of perpetual profitability, hiding massive debts and losses within a labyrinth of offshore, special-purpose entities, SPEs, and partnerships. These off-balance sheet vehicles, controlled by Enron executives, were designed to keep financial liabilities away from public scrutiny, effectively manufacturing a financial mirage. As Enron's internal financial house of cards grew, its external influence reached a devastating peak during the California energy crisis of 2000-2001. Capitalizing on deregulation, Enron traders manipulated electricity markets, driving up prices and creating artificial shortages. Infamous audio recordings revealed Enron traders gleefully orchestrating Death Star schemes and Grandma Millie gambits, deliberately withholding power to inflate prices and extort the state. The human cost was immense, as businesses shuttered and ordinary citizens suffered through rolling blackouts, all while Enron profited immensely. The whispers of financial irregularities eventually grew into a roar, as whistleblowers like Sharon Watkins attempted to expose the deep-seated fraud to senior executives. Despite internal warnings, the company's leadership remained in denial, dismissing concerns and doubling down on their deceptive practices. As federal investigations loomed, the desperate attempt to conceal the truth escalated into a frantic campaign of document destruction. Arthur Anderson, Enron's auditor, became complicit, ordering the shredding of thousands of incriminating documents in a desperate bid to erase the evidence. The House of Cards finally collapsed in spectacular fashion in late 2001, as Enron's stock plummeted and the full extent of its fraudulent accounting was exposed. The company, once valued at over $60 billion, declared bankruptcy, marking the largest corporate collapse in American history at the time. Thousands of employees lost their jobs and life savings, while the smartest guys in the room faced criminal charges and public condemnation. The Enron scandal became a cautionary tale, a stark reminder of the devastating consequences when arrogance, greed, and a culture of deception are allowed to flourish unchecked in the pursuit of power and profit.